today is we're going to take the back way, the back roads to Kickstand Lodge, which is we think it's a motorcycle only campground.
I think so.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure it is.
We'll find out when we get there. Again, no reservations. We're hoping you can just show up and say hi and look cute and cuddly, and they give you a spot to put your tent.
These are riding tips and on anywhere really. When you're given the 2 fingers, you know, you pass by universal motorcycle, 2 wheels down. But if you're in a corner, you don't have to acknowledge that wave if somebody waves at you. Everybody doesn't have to wave back. Give your waves freely. Why are they closed?
Wow, we just arrived at Kickstand Lodge.
And they're closed.
And this is what we found. Oh my gosh. And it's 5 o'clock at night. We planned on camping here. Yeah. Now it's figuring out what I didn't have plan B. Yeah. Well, we'll keep you posted on what we figure out, where we're gonna go. So I guess we head over to Ironhorse?
Yeah, I'm just trying to how much are they?
Or what was that name of that one that we just passed over here? It said.
Do you want to just go over to that one?
See what that's all about?
Yeah, it's just an RV place. I'm sure they got tent camping.
Okay. Hi, puppy. How come you're not open? No jump. All right, so now we made it to Ironhorse. So Richard's in there checking it out. We're hoping they have tent camping here. I guess we'll find out. I'm over my shock. That I was really, wow. To pull up and see that place was closed. All right, let's find out what Richard found out. Okay, what's the scoop?
We got a spot.
Okay, they have tent camping?
Around the corner, over here.
So they do have tent camping here?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Yes. It's so here's where we are.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna go back, out around the back, across the creek, and it's over here. Any spot, yeah, any of these spots. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, because I just walked over there and looked, there's no one over there.
Oh, yeah, so any spot.
Okay.
Close we can get over here.
Okay, yes.
For 2 nights. I got us for 2 nights.
Okay.
$71.
Oh my gosh. For a tent camping site?
We might as well enjoy it nicely. A nice place.
Okay.
You agree?
Sure.
Awesome.
A little rainy today, so good morning. Actually, it's very rainy today. The tent is proving a little bit more challenging than what we wanted. Yeah, we thought we had the tarp tucked all the way underneath so that water couldn't get underneath, and that is not working. So now we're out here and we're going to pull the tarp out. Need some help?
It's got everything on it.
Yeah. And then that seam's leaking.
So
that seam's leaking.
We need some seam seal because it's coming off of this hole right here, this cut.
Okay.
That's where it's coming in.
Okay.
I think we'll survive.
We'll survive. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, we got another day of this.
I know.
Mm-hmm. When I was walking inside the tent, the floor was squishy. It wasn't wet inside. It was just wet underneath in the tarp. So.
Like we're standing on a waterbed.
Yeah, it did. That's it exactly. Okay. Okay, gotta go. Bye. Okay. This is one of those moments where I'm almost embarrassed to show you what the heck we're doing. If you're older like Richard and I, you're gonna remember the Beverly Hillbillies. This is really close.
Yeah.
We are at the Ironhorse, and we have looked everywhere, and there's no place to wash our dishes except for here. And it's not very hygienic.
Well, it's okay. I mean, it's okay. It's clean.
So here, we found this hose.
Yeah, there's a hose that has water on
It
it.
has water. And then we have the staging area of the trash can.
Yes.
So that's why I say it's not very hygienic.
So they're not thinking of rednecks like us come camping here.
No, they're thinking of people who come and rent, you know, like places up there and then above here, nice places. And then they've got cabins here. And then you have Richard and Chris washing their dishes next to their garden hose. All right, good morning. We are packing up, getting ready to leave the Ironhorse Motorcycle Campground. And we are just going to do a really short jaunt over to Kickstand Lodge. We're kind of sticking in this area, got some rain coming in and out. We want to do some exploring, do more riding, and we also want to do a comparison between the two campgrounds, these two motorcycle campgrounds, and see, you know, give you guys some information as to which one's best for you, for the way you like to travel, and for your wallet. Tent is down, the rain is held off so far, everything is wet and soggy. But we're gonna go and hurry up and get over to Kickstand Lodge and set everything up. Fingers crossed it's gonna dry out, or it's gonna rain more, who knows. Yeah, anyway, welcome to North Carolina. We are in North Carolina, right?
Yes. Yes, we are.
I had to think for a second, like, wait a second, are we in North Carolina? What state are we in? Oh my gosh, have I forgotten something? We've been through a lot of states lately, so I just wanted to make sure I was in the right state. I think I got it.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Goodness, it's gravel. Ooh, yucky.
Yeah.
We pulled into Kickstand Lodge. Richard had been emailing them, let them know we're coming. They're saying fine. We pull in and the same sorry we're closed sign is up. So now he's over there talking to the owner. So yeah. We're hoping he can sweet talk. I don't know why they're closed. We'll find out. We're hoping he can sweet talk them because we got rain coming in about an hour. Either that or we need to like hightail it somewhere where there's no rain, if that's possible. Yeah. Welcome to Kickstand Lodge. Sorry, we're closed. Or maybe open. We'll see. I know we have to set up quick before the rain, but
Yeah.
tell me what's going on.
Okay, well, that's Bobby, by the way.
Okay.
And the business part of this is just, that's secondary compared to if he says friends come camp here.
Oh.
That's what he likes to think of everybody as.
Oh, okay.
Yep, they've been doing it for 17 years, and the reason why they're closed on Mondays and Tuesdays is just they need a break.
Oh.
And if you come in on a Thursday and then stay till the next Thursday, they're not going to kick you out on Monday or Tuesday. Bathhouse, they provide laundry or soap and shampoo and towels also.
Oh, wow.
Everything.
Nice.
But
Got everything all set up just in time, because here comes the rain. Check out this cool old barn. I love finding old buildings. Check this out. Right next door to the campground. Just wandering around, checking it out. They have a beautiful little creek running through here. Very pretty place. Very peaceful. Okay, so Richie, let's grab the cooler
all right,
and the bread.
all right.
Wander over to the kitchen area.
Yay.
and cook us up some grilled cheese sandwiches.
Yes, because
It's
I'm
like-
hungry.
It's like 2 o'clock in the afternoon and we haven't eaten today.
And they'll be waiting on the rain.
I know. Let's go see if we can rustle up some grub.
She doesn't like it when JoJo's around either. She stays on
Cheeses have made it.
It has. Let that pan cool off. Okay, lunch, dinner, I'm not quite for sure what that was, but that's all over and done. It is really awesome just to be able to take our cooler over to a fully stocked kitchen and to just use. They've got all the utensils, the pots, the pans, even have a refrigerator we could throw all of our stuff in instead of using the cooler. Makes traveling a little easier rather than having to dig out your own stuff. But now I've got laundry going, so I need to go check that. Take that from the washer, put it in the dryer. The sun is shining. Might even be able to get a ride in today. We've had a torrential downpour. It is now hot, sunny, humid, and we're gonna go grocery shopping.
Yeah, we're gonna go take a ride grocery shopping.
And we did our laundry.
Yeah.
We have been so darn productive today. Our grocery shopping is on a great route.
Right, and it's on a route that it's on the map. It's a road, obviously,
Yeah.
it's paved, but it's not one of the, you know, like the Moonshiner 28, or it's not the, you know, the Dragon or whatnot. It's off of, basically we're gonna go past Ironhorse, go out to 28, make a quick left, then a right. We're gonna be over the Appalachian Trail and then come out between Deals Gap and Robbinsville. And we're gonna go to the mailbox and grocery store in Robbinsville, and then we could just take the way back.
Yes, okay.
Okay?
Okay, hold on.
Okay.
We have to clarify. We are not going to the mailbox to send anything back.
No.
I just have to mail a letter.
Yes, we have just some letters to mail. That's
Yeah.
what you doing?
Okay, so I bought a present for you. Actually, I bought 2 presents.
For me?
Yes.
I didn't know you bought a present for me. Oh, foot.
and just to assuage your ego, because I'm telling you, you have stinky feet, I bought you a chocolate pie.
Since my feet stink. Well,
Yeah.
I don't think my feet stink. I think those are your feet that stink.
Okay, then it's my chocolate pie.
I think it's your boots that stink. My feet don't
Oh,
stink.
fine. Well, then I just bought myself a chocolate pie.
I bet you bought 2 of those. What is your opinion of the 2 different campgrounds?
Well, you know, they're motorcycle campgrounds. They have that in common, but they're really polar opposite of each other. Where we are at right now, Kickstand Lodge, it's, how do I describe it?
I think it feels really kind of homey and,
Yes.
you know, like you're
Yes.
camping in your buddy's backyard.
They have electric sites, so you can have an RV here. They have small little cabins with a single bed. They've got a couple bunkhouses. I don't think they use those as much anymore. And then they have a designated spot in the back specifically for tent campers and just for motorcycles. The accommodations at Ironhorse are like, you could go all the way up. They have one place that has 2 king-size suites with 7.5 baths in it.
Yeah.
Bathrooms.
And how
I
much
should
was
say.
that?
Like $1,400 a night, $1,700. I don't want to quote prices.
With 4-day minimum. Let's mention that
Yes.
too.
They have cabins, chuck wagons or covered wagons that are very nice, bunkhouses, and then they have tent sites. And the tent sites are nice because they're a raised platform to put your tent on. the other thing I wanted to compare is Kickstand Lodge has like a community fire pit here with benches that ring all the way around it. So you can go and sit, even if you're by yourself and they've got a fire going, you can go and sit and make friends. At Ironhorse, they have a fire thing, I don't know what you call it, a fire ring or whatever, but around it are individual tables. So people will sit at the tables in their little groups. So it's harder to meet people there because it's more separated that way. Kickstand Lodge, their facilities, they've been open for about 17 years. Their facilities are dated. They are clean. They are totally functional.
Totally clean. Very nice.
Yeah, absolutely nothing wrong with them, but they are, compared to Ironhorse, Ironhorse has got very modern, up-to-date, also very clean facilities. Kickstand Lodge, no motorcycle cover parking. Ironhorse, motorcycle cover parking. Here's what I really like about Kickstand Lodge. There's all kinds of stuff I love about Kickstand Lodge, but I love the fully functioning kitchen. There are 2 sinks over there. There is a griddle. There's a stove, a smoker. There's grills. There's tables. You can go over there, cook your meal, wash it up. You can use all their pots and pans and utensils and everything. You don't have to bring anything. Now, for the kitchen facilities at Ironhorse, we ended up washing. There is none if you're tent camping and you're doing your own cooking and you want to wash up. There's a garden hose.
But the garden hose was next to a walkway, and yeah. But
Ironhorse does offer, you have to pay for it, but it does offer a wonderful breakfast. And we didn't have the dinner, but they do offer dinner. So if you're just looking and you want to go riding, you know, and you don't want to hassle with breakfast and dinner, Ironhorse has got you covered. I think what really makes, for me, what makes this place pop is the owners. You've got Bobby and Mo. And you have got some of the most hospitable, southern, charming folks around. They just welcome you like you were their long-lost daughter. I mean, they are just so sweet and so accommodating. I think that's what really makes this place more special, because Ironhorse, it's got all the trappings that you need, but it doesn't as much have a personality, is what I feel.
It's more commercialized.
It is, yes. So the accommodations are very different in that here they're very, very basic, and that's okay. It's also budget conscious. If you're looking to save your dollars, the Kickstand Lodge has got it hands down, is less expensive than Ironhorse for sure. I'm just giving you the pros and cons for both places, and everybody has their own traveling style, and where we think that Kickstand Lodge meets more of our traveling style, I know there's a lot of people out there that think that Ironhorse meets their traveling style, and I totally get it. That's why there's 2 places around here you can choose from.
They're kind of scaling back things, and they want to know who's coming. If you let them know, they'll make sure they're open. Mondays and Tuesdays, they've been closed. Send an email or give them a call before you come out, and they'll accommodate you.
Look, I found Sasquatch. But they have a sign here that says to not feed him. So I will not be feeding Sasquatch. But isn't he cute?